Hi, my name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and today I'm going to be working on this 2022 Dodge Challenger that's got an extremely sharp dent running through the body line on this door. Now I'm going to be repairing this today using the Paintless Dent Repair method. So let's go ahead and get started. So this dent is pretty sharp, so in order to work on this dent, I'm going to actually heat this metal up to help soften it. Now that I've got this panel pretty much to the required heat level that I'd like to have, will help it prevent it from cracking. Also will make the metal softer so it'll be a little bit easier to push. I'm going to be using a soft red tip, therefore not to put any push marks or leave any what we call pimples in that paint job. I've got an extra handle. This is made by Dentcraft. And then I've also put a shield to help protect the window, an airbag to separate it so that I have space to get in between the windows. Another flawless repair, like it was never there. So if you had damages that were similar to this and would like to know if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair, give us a call at 325-703-6149 or stop by and see us at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. Paintless dent removal was the best repair for this type of damage. There was no painting, no filler, and no Bondo put in this. Therefore, they kept the original factory finish. Paintless dent removal. See if your car is a candidate today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to know more of the benefits of paintless dent repair. My name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and thanks for watching. Another flawless repair, like it was never there.